So for that, let me take a picture where I do have a different color. Okay, so I'll go here. I do have this image, so I'll be taking this particular image only. Okay, so here, once I come, I'll go to the adjustment layers. And now what I'll be doing is, again, I'll come to the hue and saturation option. Okay, so here, what I'll be doing is I'll come to this option here, and you can see I can change a particular color. As you can see, I do have different colors, so if any particular color I want to change in this image, I can do that. Okay, see, I do have the reds here, so it automatically understood what all color do this particular image contains. Okay, so here they do have yellows, I do have greens and cyans, blues, magentas. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to change the yellows. So what I can do is, once I've created selected yellows, you can see now this is a red Nike shoe. Okay, as my background was also in red, I have selected this one as well, and now I want to select some different color. Okay, magentas, and now I can change this as well from here. And if I show this in a different image, as I have it here, I'll go to the adjustment panel. Okay, I'll go to this here. I will go to the blues. Okay, and I'll be changing the blues here. Okay, I can do that as well. And from here I can change the color. Okay, here you can see I can change the particular color of the shoe. As you can see, it will change accordingly. And I can also select the level of saturation. Okay, and I should not do so much that it's quite visible that I'm editing this particular image. That always we need to remember that when we are working on this Photoshop application, our picture should look quite natural. Okay, and in case of all these images, it should look quite well edited or quite natural, as you can see. So here, as I do have changed this color to red. Okay, so in that case, if I want to change the background color, like it was also yellow and the shoe color was also yellow, so the whole thing changed to red. But if I want to change this particular color, okay, see here, I can change the tick mark here, which was in red. Here you can see I changed the shoe color totally. So if I want to change something in particular, in that case, I'll also be showing you guys how we can do that, but in the later stages of the class where we'll be learning more. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood till this much. Like if I want to particularly change just one color in a particular image, what I can do. And this option actually doesn't apply to everything. It depends on picture to picture. And always we try to enhance our picture accordingly. Like we always want to make our pictures look good. So we should use all these options, understanding what I exactly want, like what content I want. And sometimes, yeah, we do can experiment with whatever we are doing at first. And after experimenting, we see which one looks better and we can take that as our final product. So here, this particular thing doesn't look that bad. I can use it in any kind of animation as well. Okay, if I just change the background color to something a bit dark, it will look quite okay. So I hope you guys have understood till this much. And now we'll be learning like how we can make an image black and white in Photoshop. Okay,